So I have just found a brand new loophole that you can use to make thousands of dollars every single week by just simply searching on Google. As you can see from my screen right now, this exact strategy I'm going to show you has generated me well over $10,000 within the past month. And what's great about this is that you don't need any investment to make this work. Yes, this is 100% free. You don't need any previous experience, you don't need any upfront investment, you don't need any previous skills, and you can get started with this right now. And just to make this clear before we dive into this tutorial, this is not going to be one of those scammy survey websites that promise you to pay you for each task that you do, but instead takes you around a loopholes and never pays you out. This is going to be a real video that's going to show you step by step how to build a real sustainable online business that can drastically improve the quality of your life. So now, with all of that being said, let's go ahead and get at it. For step number 1, what you need to do right now is head over to Google and then just simply type in Google Doc. From here, you will even need to do two things. One, you can just click straight onto the first link and it's going to take you over to a blank Google document, which we are going to need for this video. If you don't have a Google account, you need to go ahead and sign up for an account right now. It only takes 2 minutes. It's 100% free. Once you have that set up, you will be able to access Google Doc, and then from here all you need to do is just open a blank document. Following this, what you need to do from this point is head over to this website that you can see on the screen right now, which is Temu. So that's over at temu.com. Once you're here, all you need to do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen until you see affiliates or influencer program. That's then going to take you over to this page right here where you will be able to unlock different ways to make money online with this affiliate program. And if we look even closer right here, you can see for yourself share and earn up to $100,000 per month using this affiliate program. There's individuals on here that are earning well over $100,000 per month promoting a variety of different products that are on the Temu platform. That might sound very insane to a lot of you guys, but I have only been promoting on this platform for 30 days and I have already made over $11,000. If I was to take this seriously, put a lot of efforts into this, maybe potentially running ads, I could double it, not triple the amount that I'm making on here right now. If you haven't heard of Temu before, it's essentially an online marketplace where you can buy a variety of different products. This could be stuff like home decor, clothing, accessories, gadgets, and much more. It's very similar to like of Amazon and Alibaba, but this is just a new fresh company that's just emerging on the market. The biggest difference that they have from their competitors, which is great thing for us, is that they pay out way more commissions. You would notice if you have ever tried to promote products on Amazon, the most you can make is maybe 2 to 3%. If you are lucky, you might make 8 to 10%, but this is literally cents and pennies to how much you are going to be getting paid on the Temu platform. So today, if I draw your attention to the left hand side of the screen right here, you can see that regular everyday people just like me and you are actively taking out money. So you can see right here PayPal, people are making money on TikTok and stuff like that, promoting this exact program that I am showing you right here. So if you want to get started right here and become another affiliate to get paid from this program, all you have to do is click right here where it says sign up, and then just simply sign up to become an affiliate of the Temu program. And once you are done with that, you successfully completed step number 1 of this video and you are ready to move into the step number 2, which is going to be one of the most crucial part of this entire video. This next step is really going to make or break this strategy for you and determine if you make money with this or not. So make sure you stay tuned and smash that like button if you haven't already, because I'm providing you guys with so much value here. Now carrying on to the step number 2 of this video, in order for us to make money with the Temu platform, with Temu affiliate program, we need to put some sort of content out there on the internet to attract the right type of audience. Now I know majority of you guys that are watching this video right now most likely don't want to show your face online. So the type of content that we are going to be creating today in order to attract the right audience is going to be the blog post or articles. This is going to be the easiest and most effective way to get people over onto the Temu platform and purchase product without doing much work at all. And this is simply because we are going to be utilizing the power of AI. So from here, all you guys need to do is just go to your address bar, type in chat.openai.com, and it's going to take you over to the chat GPT that you're going to be able to use to create an unlimited amount of blogs or articles to different products on Temu. That is going to make you money here. Don't worry, this is completely free, and to make it even easier for you guys, I have created a script that you can follow step by step. All you have to do today is just simply copy and paste exactly what I am going to show you, and you are going to be totally fine. And I promise you, you will make money as long as you do exactly what I show you here today. So the first task here is just copy and paste this exact prompt that I have entered into the chat GPT. So you can pause the video here if you are following along with me, and then simply just type in exactly what I have typed in. So as you can see for yourself, I have instructed the bot to create a blog post for me within a specific niche or industry. So you're going to need to change the section right here depending on what category of product that you select on the Temu platform. So if I go back to the section right here where you can see categories, you can go for appliances, men's shoes, music, instrument, women clothing, electronics, and much more. Whatever it may be, you just select a random topic right here and then you just paste it back over into the chat GPT. For this, I have selected sports and outdoor, and from here all I am going to do is just simply send a message to chat GPT so it can proceed to generate the first section of my blog post right here. So as you can see right here, the AI is working this magic, is giving us a few engaging topics that we can create for our blog post articles that's going to direct the readers back over to our affiliate link from the Temu program. So if I go ahead and select this topic right here and enter this prompt, AI will create an engaging, finest, high quality content for us right now. And we are going to move into the next important part of this video. So once this is all done, then you are going to click on the copy button right here, copy this entire section that is just created, and then you are just going to paste over onto the blank Google document that I showed you guys at the start of this video. And that's it. You have your blog that you didn't have to create yourself. You didn't even spend hours doing any sort of research. I have given you a proven formula that I use to create blog articles that you are going to be able to use to generate money online. And if you guys haven't figured out this already, the strategy that we are using right here is affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what this is simply when you promote other people's or other companies' product for a commission. So in this case, we are getting products from the Temu platform, we are promoting it to a specific audience, and when that audience make a purchase of the said product, we make a commission. And that's simply how this all works. In the next step of this video, I am going to show you a website where you can post your article and get thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views, and most importantly real people and eyeballs onto your content and your affiliate link so that you can make money with this. So step number 3 of this video, once we have our AI generated articles, what we need to do is paste it over onto the Google Docs like I showed you in the previous step. And then from here, what we are going to do is add our affiliate links. This is one of the most important part. We need to add our affiliate links so that when people read through our blog, they get value. They'll be able to click onto the affiliate links, which is going to be our Temu product. And then, as I said, once they make a purchase, we get paid commission for this. So here you can see this is my article right here, and what we need to do is just optimize it a little bit, and we are going to add our affiliate link, but we are also going to take out some unnecessary section that we don't need in this article. If you want to add like a few headings or a few like different sections, you can do that as well. It's completely up to you. You just want to make sure it's structured well and easy for the viewers to read. Now from here, once your article looks something like this, what you want to do is add in some CTA so people can click onto your links. And CTA just means call to action. So this is just going to be a line of text that's going to grab the reader's attention and get them to click onto our links. Whatever the CTA is, it need to grab the attention of the readers so they can be redirected back over to the Temu website and make a purchase of the product. So as you can see right here, now here's a call to action that I have added to my blog that's going to encourage people to click over onto our affiliate link, and we want to hyperlink it. So if you highlight it just like I have done here, and you go over to the top where it says insert link, this is where you want to paste your affiliate link. So that's say for instance we are promoting this product right here. All you do is just copy your link. Of course this is going to be your affiliate link. I am just showing you guys this as an example, and then you just simply head back over to the Google Docs and you click apply, and now anyone that read this article, they click this link, they will go over to the Temu product, and this is how you are going to be get paid with this. And you want to do this exact same thing for every single call to action that you add to your article to make your article stand out even more. So you can actually use the images from their website, and this is just going to boost the readability of your article, and it's going to increase the conversion rate of the people clicking over to your affiliate links, which is what I am going to show you in the next step. And I am also going to show you the exact website that we are going to be using to get the traffic. This is the most important part of this video, and I am going to show you where to get this free traffic over to your article so that you can make money with this strategy. In step number 4 of this video, I am going to actually show you 2 different very powerful traffic method that you can use to drive ton of traffic over to your articles, and the second one is actually the one that I use the most. So make sure you stick around for this. Now the website that you see on the screen right now is called slideshare.net. This website gets more than 70 million monthly visitors to it. So this is a very popular site right here. As you can see on the front page, people are posting their articles right here and they are getting tons of views. These people articles and PDFs are getting free traffic from people that's simply searching on Google, and this is the exact strategy that we are going to use now. With this particular site, you are going to actually need to turn your articles into either a PDF or a slide, right? So you could just go back over to the Google document and export your article as a PDF format, or you can just bring it over to the PowerPoint and change it to something like this. Maybe change the title, make the title look more interesting, and then you can post it on SlideShare for 100% free and start driving traffic back over to your Temu affiliate links. That's one amazing way that you can use to get free traffic from Google or over to your affiliate links, and I think this is a great way to get started, especially if you are a beginner. You can simply upload in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to simply drag and drop your documents in this section right here, and once you do that, please guys make sure you add your title that is very attractive. Add the relevant tags that are related to your article. So if your article is about some home gadget, make sure you add specific keywords that link directly to this, because when people search on Google, as I told you, you will get that traffic. You will get that traffic back over to your documents. So this is an essential step that you must take when you are uploading your slides and your different documents on here to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Now carrying on to the second website I have for you here is a very powerful way to drive traffic to your affiliate links with blog post and article. This is medium.com. This is an entirely free website that you can sign up to and post your articles that has the potential to reach hundreds of thousands of people online. And many people, including myself, have been using this platform for years to do affiliate marketing. For example, you can see some of the articles right here that are in my home screen. These are all people that are writing articles, whether they are using ChatGPT or they are just using the knowledge of top of their head to write their own article. This is how they are getting traffic either to their affiliate links, their blog post on their website, and different things like that. You can use this exact strategy today to drive traffic back over to the products that you are promoting on the Tamo platform. As I said, it is 100% free to sign up. To once you are over on to the medium.com, or you can just sign in with Google. Once you are inside, you want to click on the top right hand corner where it says write. Then it's going to take you over to this page where you will be able to paste in your content, optimize it a little bit, add a few images, just change stuff around, make the title bigger and stuff like that to attract the readers, and then you will have the potential to reach a lot of people on this platform. But there's another big issue here on this platform. What happens here is that people try to get their AI generated content like I just showed you how to do on ChatGPT and then paste it directly on the Medium. This is a huge mistake, and sadly this has cost a lot of people their Medium accounts. So what you want to do, instead of just copy and pasting your article, what you need to do is head over to a platform called Undetectable AI. This is where you are going to go to pasting your text from your Google documents that you got from ChatGPT, and then from here you're going to hit humanize. It's going to turn it into human content. Right, with Medium, they don't like you using AI, but when you paste your content in here and then paste it back over onto the Medium, they won't even know that you use AI, and this is what makes this platform so powerful. You need to use this platform to make it human tech and then paste it back onto the Medium. This is how you are going to be able to make money and get the right traffic that you need over to your blog post so that you can make money. Now on Medium, just make your article more engaging and optimized by just putting in images from Freepik, Pexels, Unsplash, and most importantly, make sure your affiliate links work. When I hover over this text right here, you can see this is an affiliate link. So once people read this article, they click it, they will be redirected back to the Tamo platform, and that's pretty much it, guys. Once you are done with that, you have added your images, you have added your affiliate links, you are ready to release your articles. You just click on publish here on the right hand side. This is essentially the entire strategy. We have just used the power of AI to create an article for us. We have added affiliate links from our really big affiliate program, and we are utilizing free traffic method to get targeted individuals to see our blog posts so that we can make money through affiliate links. As I said, all people need to do is type into the Google specific keywords that we have added onto our articles, and they will organically find our articles, and this is how you're going to make money with this strategy. Last thing I want to say here is to make sure you guys go back and rewatch this video if you need to. I know I speak a little bit fast sometimes. I know I am giving you guys a lot of information at once. It can be overwhelming sometimes, but just take your time, go back to any of the steps that you need to of this video so you can get all the game that I am giving you here. This is a method that I have been using for years. You now have a big upper hand of using AI, and you have platforms like Medium that you can use to get free traffic, so make sure you go ahead and take advantage of that. With that being said, thank you guys for watching in. I really enjoyed making this video for you. If you haven't already, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.